Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on iPhone lockdown mode. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see privacy and security, so just tap on that. Then scroll down again to lockdown mode right here, so simply tap on that also. There will be an option right here to turn on lockdown mode, and you can also see a description of what lockdown mode is. So it is an extreme optional protection that should only be used if you believe you may be personally targeted by a highly sophisticated cyber attack. So if you want to turn on lockdown mode, just tap on this, and you will see all of these descriptions, and just simply tap on turn on lockdown mode. Then you will be prompted to turn on and restart lockdown mode, so simply tap on that. Then you will need to put on your passcode or Face ID. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.